सुप्रभात मेरे सबै स्टुडेन्ट्स मेरो भ्युजलाई today we are going to discuss about conductance and conductivity, which helps us in a great deal to understand the vector form of Ohm's law, which we will be discussing in the next video. So video सुरु गर्नु अगाडि सबैलाई यही नम्र निवेदन छ कि भिडियोजलाई म्याक्सिमम भन्दा म्याक्सिमम शेयर गरिदिनुहोस्। मन पर्दैछ या तपाईलाई फाइदा हुँदैछ भने भिडियोजलाई लाइक गरिदिनुहोस्। भिडियोमा के बुझेको नबुझेको के मन परेको नमन परेको खण्डमा मलाई कमेन्ट मार्फत भन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। अनि फ्युचरमा कुनै पनि भिडियोजहरु मिस गर्नु चाहनु हुँदैन भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुहोस्। ओके, सो सुरु गरौँ आजको हाम्रो टपिक तर्फबाट जुन चाहिँ हुन्छ conductance and conductivity. So let us first discuss about conductance. So what is conductance? So let us understand this concept with the help of an example. It is obvious that from the Ohm's law that we have learned in the previous videos, we have learned that with the increase in the current, the value of resistance will decrease. With the increase in the current, the value of resistance will decrease. With the decrease in the value of the current, the value of the resistance will increase. That is, from this particular example, it is very clear that the value of conductance is just the reciprocal of resistance. Okay na? So current को value बढ्यो, resistance घट्छ. current को value घट्यो भने resistance को value बढ्छ. भनेपछि यिनीहरु दुईजना के रहेछ, एकअर्कासित reciprocal रहेछ. भनेपछि conductance पनि त्यसरी नै डिफाइन छ. So conductance बुझ्नुभयो, the value of current being conducted. So what is conductance? So conductance is defined as the reciprocal of resistance. Okay, so if R be the resistance of a conductor, of any conductor, then by the definition of conductance के हुने रहेछ 1 upon R. Okay. Excuse me. It is represented by a letter capital G. So this is conductance. So what is conductance? It is defined as the reciprocal of resistance. Okay. So reciprocal of resistance, G is equal to 1 upon R. It is symbolized by the letter capital G. Okay. So now the point is, what is the unit of conductance? So what is the unit of conductance? So G is equal to G is equal to 1 upon R. So R ko जो चाहिँ SI unit छ, that is the SI unit of resistance is ohm. So therefore the SI unit of conductance is equal to 1 upon ohm, or we can write this in the format of ohm to the power minus 1. So it cannot be verbally told as ohm inverse. So like ohm to the power minus 1 comma abenus. Keep on this. What is conductance? Conductance is defined as the reciprocal of resistance. So in unit format conductance is the reciprocal of ohm. So ohm ko ulta bhanera. So ohm ko ulta bhanera bhandas. So ohm ko ulta kasto huncha MHO, त्यही कारणले मोह भनेर आको. Therefore the unit of conductance can be written as 1 upon ohm, or ohm to the power minus 1 comma MHO, reciprocal of ohm, or Siemens. There is another practical unit known as Siemens, which is represented by capital S. So भन्नुको तात्पर्य के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ if I were to represent a force of 12 Newton, so how do I represent a force of 12 Newton? I write 12 Newton or 12 N. Okay, now so similarly, if a conductor has a conductance of 12 Siemens, so how do I represent it? I represent simply as 12 Siemens or 12S. So if you have a counter with a figure like 12S, it means that the conductor has a has a conductance of 12 Siemens. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Conductivity. So what is conductivity? It is also very simple. It is just the reciprocal of resistivity. If any conductor has a resistivity of rho, then it can be represented as 1 upon rho, which is symbolized by the letter sigma. So iske ulta so sorry. Okay, so what is conductivity? It is just the reciprocal of resistivity. Similarly, what was conductance? The conductance was the reciprocal of resistance. Conductivity is just the reciprocal of resistivity. Simple as that. So what is its unit? We know that the unit of resistivity is 1 upon ohm meter. So therefore, what is the unit SI unit of conductivity? Therefore, the SI unit of conductivity is 1 upon ohm meter, which can be also be written as 1 upon ohm can be written as ohm to the power minus 1 per meter, which is also equal to, what is ohm to the power minus 1? It is mho, right? We have already discussed this in the conductance per meter, which is also equal to, now the another practical unit of ohm ohm to the power minus 1 mho is Siemens per meter, which can also be written as Siemens m to the power minus 1. That is meter to the power minus 1. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down.